How to pick the right paint for an exterior house. Dear friends, there are plenty of considerations when choosing the right paint. Here are some of them. Climate. Consider the climate of your location when picking a paint color. Dark colors may work well in cooler regions. Light colors, on the other hand, are more suitable for warmer climates. Architectural style. Take into account the architectural style of your home. Some styles may require darker shades. Others are made more suited to lighter tones. Neighborhood aesthetics. Consider the aesthetics of your neighborhood. Dark colors make a statement. However, if most houses in your area have light-colored exteriors, a dark shade may stand out and not blend well with the surroundings. Personal preference. Ultimately, the choice of exterior house paint color should align with your personal taste and preferences. Consider what makes you happy and what reflects your style and personality. Energy efficiency. Choosing an energy-efficient exterior house paint can provide several benefits. For one, it reflects a higher percentage of sunlight. Thus, it reduces the amount of heat absorbed by the walls. It can keep the interior of your home cooler. It also reduces the need for excessive AC during hot summer months. When you reduce your energy consumption, you can lower your utility bills and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Another reason to choose this kind of paint is that it could increase your comfort. When the exterior walls of your home absorb less heat, it can create a more comfortable living environment inside. Energy-efficient paint helps maintain stable indoor temperatures by minimizing heat transfer through the walls. This can lead to fewer temperature fluctuations and more enjoyable living space. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.